Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg curry for rice. First, gather your ingredients: 6 hard-boiled eggs, 2 large onions, 3 tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and essential spices. Boiling the eggs perfectly is key, so ensure they are firm. Making small slits in the peeled eggs helps them absorb the rich curry flavors later. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious and easy meal. Once your eggs are ready, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Gently fry the peeled eggs until they achieve a beautiful golden hue, then set them aside. In the same oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter. Next, introduce your 2 finely chopped onions, cooking them slowly until they become translucent and a lovely light golden brown. This step builds the foundational flavor. Now add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste to the onions, cooking for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. Introduce your 3 chopped tomatoes, stirring well and cooking until they break down and form a soft, pulpy mixture. This can take about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, mix in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder, cooking for 2 minutes to toast the spices. Pour in 1 cup of water, bring the curry to a gentle simmer, then carefully add your fried eggs back into the pan. Cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the eggs to fully absorb all the wonderful flavors of the curry. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala and garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve this delicious egg curry hot with steamed rice for a comforting meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.